The biggest impact Germany is having on me is now I'm sensitive to loud noise and I do not like it because now if I hear somebody talk too loud, I actually feel something. Like I feel some type of like anger or annoyance. Because look, I used to live in New York City, right? And also too, I'm an African dude, so I'm used to like loud noise all the time. So this is a big deal. Tell me how I was in the train station or I was in a train in there and I was in a quiet car and then somebody was talking on the phone. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was almost about to complain. That is a big change right there, and I do not like it.